It's a perfect day for wing lighting. Let's hope it stays that way.
It is a perfect day for wing lighting.
Jeffers, is that launcher ready yet? We've got wing gliders coming. Oops, can't have a wing glider with no wings. If nothing else goes wrong, here it goes. With these wings. So